So what's up, guys? Today is Friday. I got a couple of things I want to tell you. First of all, I did a live stream on Facebook for the first time, so that was fun. I turned a couple of these mallets and I live streamed one of them. These are going to a couple of people in our community, our woodworking community. They know who they are. But I turned one of these on the live stream in Facebook today. So if you happen to see that video, give me some feedback down below what you thought about that. So here's a couple of ideas. Okay, so I had people, when I did the last YouTube live stream, they said they didn't get notified. You know, how do I get notified? If you're subscribed to my main YouTube channel, or if you're not, go subscribe, but hit the little bell icon, and that should notify you when I schedule a live stream and also when I go live. And then over on Facebook, if you don't follow me over there or like my page, go search for Stone & Sons Workshop on Facebook. Follow, like, whatever it is, and you should be notified there when I go live. I'm gonna try to do, you know, more live video in both places. So anyway, I'll show you real quick with Facebook live streaming today. I had the camera here and the angle was looking this way. I want to try to get this type of angle on my next turning. So, and there's my little boy peeking in the door. I see you. I'll be out in just a second. So this little jig here is from Rockler. It goes around, it's like this, and it's meant for like pins, but it's great for when you're sanding any size project. So this mallet was a little bit too big for that setup, but when I was sanding it, you could just see the dust just feeding right into that little thing. So I really like that, and it was just hooked up to a shop vac. So and it's got a couple of different, you know, quick release knobs to where you can turn it and move it, and it's kind of flexible as to, you know, what position you have it in. So it's pretty cool. I like it. So yeah, that's the Facebook live streaming deal today. That was fun. Next week, I'm gonna let's see, sometime next week, maybe Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, might even be Thursday. I don't know when. That's why. Make sure you hit that little bell icon over on my main channel so you'll be notified. But I'm going live next week, and Isotunes is letting me give away a pair of their earbuds, their Bluetooth Isotunes earbuds, that's what I wear here in the shop. So I'm really excited about these companies coming on board and giving stuff away, because I think you guys deserve it. It's really cool that, you know, we can give stuff back to you guys. For supporting us by watching and liking and commenting and sharing and all that stuff. It really does help. So if I can give stuff to you guys from these other companies, that's awesome. But anyway, that's going to be next week, Isotunes, and then the next live stream after that, I'm thinking every other week. So I know Rockler said they would do something. Atlas, I'm going to give away my old vest, and possibly, I haven't talked to Atlas yet, but I'm going to see if, you know, they'll do some other stuff. But we'll see. I feel like they will. They're a pretty cool company. So yeah, that's it for live streaming. The next project that I've got coming up, I've had the bunk bed build in the bank for some time now, just ready to start on it. But the design, and I thought, I'll just go ahead and spill the beans about what was going over here. And I was waiting on to see if I was gonna be able to get a CNC. So that's still a possibility, but I'm not sure when that's gonna happen. So, and I was gonna use that for the bunk bed build and some of the design elements. So the design element, I've got to change the design on the bunk bed a little bit, because I'm not going to wait around on that. I'm just not 100% sure if I want to bite the bullet yet on one. So, so yeah, that's the deal with the bunk bed. I've got it still coming up. I've just got to change a little bit of the design. So in the meantime, I may have like a bookshelf coming up for my my youngest boy's room, and then I've got a rocking chair, not rocking chair like what you're thinking, but more of a Adirondack style coming up. Come on in, son. So that's coming up for, you know, for springtime. That'll be a good project. Yeah, come here, buddy. You want to say hi, Sam? You want to say hi? Here. Say hi. Tell them what's your name.
Sam.
And you got a mouthful of chips. What are you helping Daddy in the shop?
What's that? Oh.
Close your mouth. I'm gonna get you. All right. I'll be done in just a second, guys. You wanna say hi? Oh, you're heavy.
Hey.
What's your name?
Daxton.
Daxton. They've seen JT. All right. I'll be out just a minute, guys. All right. So that's my life.
I've seen JT.
On other videos. Yeah. Yeah, so that's my life. Little boys always running around like crazy. So when they come home from school, they just kind of barge in whenever they want to. So yeah. All right, that's it. Everything. Just a second. I'll be done just a minute, okay?
Have some chips.
Yeah. Sorry. So anyway, nice little interruption there. Forgot what I was saying. Oh, projects. So yeah, that's what's coming up. I've got a couple more things on the list as far as wanting to do. I'm not 100% sure yet. So got some other things going on. So anyway, have a good weekend. Sorry I was long-winded. Go check out the Facebook Live video. Tell me what you think. And be sure to hit those notification bells to make sure you're notified for the live streams. All right, guys. Thanks for always thanks for watching. And I will see you next week. Have a good weekend.